Hey there, smart buyers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel that helps you make those tough purchasing decisions with a dash of humor and a sprinkle of controversy. Today, we're diving into the world of drones. On the left, we have the Ruko U11S, and on the right, the Potensic Atom 3-axis gimbal 4K GPS drone. Buckle up, because this is going to be one wild ride. First up, let's talk about the price. The Ruko U11S comes in at a wallet-friendly $283. Meanwhile, the Potensic Atom is strutting in with a price tag of $449. That's right, folks, the Potensic costs more than your last 3 impulse buys combined. So, if you're looking to save some cash for that avocado toast or your next Netflix binge, the Ruko U11S might be your new best friend. But hey, maybe you're feeling fancy and want to splurge. Let's see if the Potensic is worth the extra bucks. Next up, camera quality. The Ruko U11S boasts a 90 degrees adjustable 4K UHD camera. Perfect for capturing those epic moments like your cat jumping off the couch. On the other hand, the Potensic Atom brings a 12 megapixels Sony CMOS sensor and 4K/30 FPS video, plus a 3-axis gimbal. That's right, folks, this drone is the James Cameron of drones, capturing your adventures smoother than a baby's bottom. So, if you want your footage to look like it was shot by a Hollywood director and not your shaky Uncle Bob, Potensic might just be your guide. Now, let's talk flight time. The Ruko U11S gives you a solid 20 minutes per battery, with an extra battery included. That's 40 minutes of sky-high fun before you have to come back to reality. But wait, the Potensic Atom isn't playing around. It offers a whopping 96 minutes with 3 batteries. That's enough time to contemplate your existence, fly to the next town, and still make it back for dinner. So if you're planning on taking your drone on a marathon adventure, Potensic's got your back. If you're more of a quick trip to the skies person, Ruko will do just fine. Portability, anyone? The Ruko U11S folds up to the size of a mobile phone. That's right, it's basically the origami of drones. Meanwhile, the Potensic Atom is less than 249 grams. That's lighter than your average burrito. And it comes with a snazzy storage bag. So whether you want to slip it into your pocket or carry it in style, both drones are ready to hit the road. Who knew drones could be more portable than my emotional baggage? Calling all beginners, the Ruko U11S is super user-friendly with 1 key functions and a transmitter that charges directly. No more fiddling with batteries like you're defusing a bomb. The Potensic Atom, however, takes it up a notch with enhanced GPS capabilities and an auto-return feature. It's like having a drone with a built-in homing pigeon. Fancy, right? So if you're prone to losing things, like your sanity, Potensic's got you covered. Amazon reviewers have a lot to say about these two drones. For the Ruko U11S, users love its affordability, ease of use, and solid performance even in windy conditions. However, there are concerns about the durability of the mobile phone mount on the remote control. On the other hand, the Potensic Atom is praised for its camera quality, ease of use, and advanced features like tracking and orbiting. Some reviewers, however, feel that it falls short when compared to higher-end DJI drones, especially in terms of transmission distance and overall quality. All right, smart buyers, there you have it. The Ruko U11S and the Potensic Atom, 2 drones ready to take your adventures to new heights. If you're on a budget and just want to dip your toes into the drone world, Ruko U11S is your go-to. But if you're ready to splurge and need a drone that's smoother than your pickup lines, the Potensic Atom is the way to go. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another episode of Buy Smart. Drop a comment below on which drone you think wins the battle and why. Until next time, happy flying and stay smart. Product links are in the description.